I'm gonna be going all in on a 24-hour challenge where I'll be starting a dropshipping business from absolutely nothing and trying to make money in a single day. All right, first things first, we need a product to even make us any money at all. So there's a few strategies I'm gonna test out for the next hour to see if I can find anything. First one being the TikTok search method, which involves heading over to TikTok, typing in keywords such as TikTok made me buy it, I bought this on TikTok, and searching for products that have some sort of differentiating factor, have potential to create a lot of content around, and aren't too saturated. The second method I'm going to be using is the same tool that I use to integrate products onto my Shopify store and fulfill orders. So I just saw AutoDS added a feature that allows you to check out TikTok-based product videos. But the main use of this tool is that, as you can see here, we can go ahead and actually see the store link to the video and then fully integrate the product into the AutoDS marketplace and then onto our Shopify store. And after some digging, I was able to finally find a product that fully hits the criteria that I have been looking for. So we can go ahead and check out this product. It's a suction cup punching bag. Pretty cool product. This is definitely something that I haven't seen before. It's got that wow factor. It's a use case product and it's got a lot of potential to make tons and tons of viral based content, just like these guys right here. So they got a lot of viral videos here. Clearly a very interesting product that I think would be a great product to test. Now it's time to onboard this product onto our store using AutoDS. So why don't we go ahead and start the product import process right now. All right, so once we are at the AutoDS dashboard, we have to go ahead and add the store, add the app. We're gonna go ahead and install the app. All right, and this is the dashboard itself. Now we're gonna go ahead and add products. We're gonna add a single product, and then we're just gonna go ahead and copy and paste our AliExpress link from there, just like that. And we can go ahead and even edit it. We can edit what we want to import into our Shopify store. So for now, you can see that you can edit the title, you can edit the description, the variants, the images. And for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and save and import. And so here it is right here. Now, if we head over back to Shopify, we go to products and then refresh, we can see that our product has now been imported. And this is just going to make everything a lot easier because now we easily import the product, as well as anytime we do in fact get an order, AutoDS is going to automatically fulfill each and every order as long as we have the credits purchased. So the tracking codes are going to get auto synced and sent over to your customer. They're going to get updated and we're going to be all good to go. Now, the next key step in building this business is setting up an online store. So here's some things to take note of. One, nearly everyone who visits our website will be on their phone. So I need to make sure to optimize this website for mobile. Two, you're gonna go ahead and direct all the visitors to the product page. So it's imperative to hold their attention with engaging GIFs and information about the product. And I'm gonna go ahead and manually customize this store, and I'll get back to you guys when I have finished the editing process. All right, so here we are onto the store after a decent amount of editing. And as you can see, I try to make it as interactive as possible. But like I said, we are going to be optimizing the store for mobile. So we want to see how it looks best on mobile. This is what it looks like on desktop. For the most part, looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and check mobile. We got the logo, and then I added free shipping on orders $50 plus. So that's the incentive to get people to spend more money to acquire the free shipping, right? To generally buy 2 units. So here I use a lot of ChatGPT. So I found a good example brand, and I just took all that information, all the descriptions, and threw it into ChatGPT and said, hey, give me a better version of this, give me a mixed up version of this, your own original version. That's what I threw into here. It really helped streamline the whole process. I added some GIFs like I said, and then the product itself right here that I'm selling for $26.99. I don't know why it keeps updating to 25, but it's $26.99. I need to go ahead and change that again. We can see that for the most part, I try to keep it as simplistic as possible, but holding the attention with these GIFs. So that my team has developed an AI software that will build you a custom Shopify store in less than 15 minutes, and it is entirely free. It's gonna save you both time and money. So you guys wanna go ahead and try it out. Do have a link in the description. Now that our store is successfully set up, our next major task is the creation of our video ad. Now, generally, I would order the product and film my own content, but for the sake of this video, since we don't have much time, I'm going to be using pre-existing content and formulate my own edits. And in the past, I've used video editing services or even platforms like Fiverr to get someone to make user-generated content, UGC, which is totally fine if you guys want to do that. But considering our current goal for this experiment is to perform this venture on a budget, I've opted out to using a subscription-based video editing service. So once we are onto InVideo, we can go ahead and import our selected videos that we have used. So I'm going to go ahead and import the pre-existing content just like that, and I can start to formulate my own edits by simply adding and dragging and dropping. And then from here we can start to add. Simply just drag, add like that. And so I'm going to work on some edits right now, and then I'll get back to you guys when I have the finished product. All right, so here we are with the video I have went ahead and edited. It didn't take me too long. It took me about 15 minutes to create this. Using these 3 videos, I went ahead and cut up the videos and then also added some text so we can go ahead and watch it. All right, so as you can see, a very basic video, but at the same time, it holds the attention of the user. I generally want to keep the videos anywhere from 7 to 15 seconds. That's exactly what I did. I added some text as well as a call to action at the end. So this is what I'm going to be using, and I can go ahead and export this just like this. I'm gonna export in 1080p, and this is what we're gonna be using for our video ads. Export it, and if you are stuck on how to use InVideo, how to create these edits, they do have tutorials on their YouTube channel. So we've got the video ad finally done using InVideo. Now we're ready for the part where people tend to struggle the most, which is advertising. An amazing product and website isn't much if you can't get people to see what you built. And there are 2 main methods to advertise: organic marketing and paid advertising. In this video, since we are on a 24-hour time crunch, we are going to try and expedite this process. So we're going to be using Facebook ads. And Facebook ads are very powerful because we can precisely target our ideal customers based off of interest and demographics. So let's hop into my computer again and run down how I'm going to go about structuring this campaign. All right, so here we're going to go ahead and click that create button. From there, we're going to go ahead onto sales, and we're going to do manual sales campaign. Continue. Let's go with int, stack these interests, and then we'll do 1 ad. And then we're gonna go ahead with the CBO this time. So the budget is going to be, we'll go with $50 for this. We're gonna go next. All right, so now we are at the detailed targeting interests and behaviors. So we're gonna select who we want to be targeting. I'm gonna be using ChatGPT. I'm selling a suction cup punching bag. What are some good detailed targeting interest for Facebook ads? So that's what I'm gonna ask it. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, interest in fitness and wellness, health and wellness, sports equipment, home workout, occupations, industries, fitness brands. As it doesn't have anything involving boxing, but that's definitely something I wanna target. So first thing I'm gonna do is boxing. I'll do the boxing as a sport. Let's check out the various suggestions here. It's going to give me other ideas. Let's do mixed martial arts. Let's try Mike Tyson. Okay, Mike Tyson. He's a famous boxer. Wellness. Let's see, workout. All right, let's do physical fitness as the last one. All right, so we have 5 interests right here, and we're just going to keep it at advanced. We're gonna make sure we select our page. We're gonna go with video, and this was the InVideo video that we made. So we're gonna go next, and then next, done. So now for the ad copy, I'm gonna go over to my website, and I'm gonna take all this information about my product. Just like this, all these descriptions. I'm gonna copy them, throw them into ChatGPT so it can grab all this information. Copy, paste. Here's info about my product. Please make me a solid Facebook ad creative description. Okay, this looks a bit long. So what I'm gonna do, let's just say, make this shorter, elevate your boxing. Okay, that looks better. I'm gonna take this first one, elevate your boxing game with Punch Pal. Perfect. So I'm gonna take that, and this is what I'm gonna use as my primary text. This is gonna go below the video. So I'm gonna take that. That's gonna be the primary text. That's pretty solid. We're gonna make sure that we have selected the call to action as shop now. And then we also need to get this URL. Remember, we're gonna go to the product page. So I'm gonna go grab that product page link. I'm gonna go back, and that's what I'm gonna paste in there. And there we go. That's pretty much everything for this campaign. I do need to name this ad set boxing, and let's do fitness. And then for the targeting interest, I'm just keep it at US as well as broad as I can with the age and gender. Video ad number 1. All right, I'm gonna change this budget from $50. Let's just do $100. Might as well. let's do $100. All right, so that's the campaign. All I had to do was press the publish button. Once the ads get approved, then they are going to start spending. All right, here we are in sunny Mexico, and we just got our first order at 10:04 a.m. for $53.98. And it looks like this person bought 2 of the Punch Pals. So pretty exciting stuff. Already 10 a.m. The ads have been running. We can go ahead and actually check. All right, so from here we can see that it's $53.98, 70 sessions. So, I mean, there's not much you can see right now. It looks like there's 2 live visitors, and I'll try and keep you guys updated throughout the rest of the day while I am here at the hotel view today. All right, so I've been sitting at the cafe doing my work, and I just got a new notification for a brand new order. I don't know if you guys can see it, $31.94. And this is only an hour and a half later. So we can go ahead and check out the Shopify dashboard. If I flip this around, you can see that we're now at $85.92 in revenue. We're at a 2.11% conversion rate, 2 orders, average order value of $40.49, and a total of 95 sessions. So 3 units sold. I'm going to continue to update you guys throughout the day. Hopefully we can get some more orders. I'll catch you guys. Peace. All right, updates. Some good news. 2 minutes ago, we got a new order. Bam. We shall see what the rest of the day has in store for us. All right, so it's just a little past 9:30, and we got another order, $31.94. All right, so it's the next morning, and the Facebook ads have had a chance to run for officially 24 hours. So we can go ahead and hop into the Shopify dashboard and check out these analytics for yesterday. All right, so as we can see, we are here in the dashboard. I'll go ahead and refresh it real quick, but we can see from yesterday, we did $149.80. The first order was of 2 units, and the other 3 were each 1 unit. That was at 276 sessions at a conversion rate of 1.45%, 4 orders, and an average order value of $33.74. So we managed to get a total of 4 orders. The first order was 2 units, and the 3 other orders were each 1 unit. And for the cost, Facebook ads were a flat $100. Each bag was $8.99, but it offered free shipping, which totaled to $44.95 for the cost of goods, and a overall cost at $144.95. That being said, a net profit of $4.85. So throughout this 24-hour period of running ads, we managed to just barely profit. And for me, believe it or not, this is actually a great sign, simply for the fact that we were able to acquire data and orders without losing any money. I do think this product has potential, and if it were to fully be worked on in terms of creating more engaging content and original UGC, I could see it doing really well. And not only that, the competitor was selling it at like, I think around 40 pounds, which is already more than the US dollar. So I'd be interested to see if I could get the same amount of orders if I were to say increase the price by $5 to $10. But I hope this gave you a good sense of what it looks like to create a store from scratch and run ads in a very, very short period of time, but more importantly, from a realistic perspective. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.